Hi everyone, this is Amanda C, and this is my screencast update for my multimedia montage project. In my proposal, I said that I wanted to create a nice, clean, user-friendly classroom website for the preschool class that I currently work for, in hopes to encourage parents to keep up with announcements and news and other happenings that are going on in the classroom and at the school. As you can see here, I am using www.weebly.com, a nice website builder for people with limited website and design skills. What I have here is a home page that comes with a title, a main menu bar, an image that I will later replace with a more personalized one, and I decided to put a nice little welcome message about the website as a whole. Back to the main menu part here, you see the different subpages that I had planned to include in this website. Here you can see I created a subpage for announcements and news for the center as a whole, and I decided to use the blog feature, and this would allow me to easily update information as an entry. I like that you can see what date that the post was made, and also on the side you can look at previous entries by month, so that can allow parents to look back and find entries that they may have missed and try to reread some information that they would wish to go back to. Going back up, you'll see that I also have a more specific gummy bears news page that allows us to update information that's more specific to the children in our preschool classroom. So again, I use the blog feature, and you can see here that I had started earlier in the week by updating our parents with what our theme is for the week. Weebly also allows me to attach documents. So I tried attaching a copy of our lesson plan for the week. And I also did something fun, sharing news about new babies in our classroom families that happened this past week, and I'm very excited for them. I thought that would be something nice to share. Last is a very integral part of my project. I was very concerned about how included our children whose first language is not English, how included they felt, and also how their parents may be concerned about their child's progress and ability to learn in a classroom where English is mostly spoken. As previously mentioned, my preschool experience kind of stripped me of a bilingual experience growing up, and I wish that I had teachers who believed in bilingual education. So I feel that now is the time for me to kind of reassure parents who were in the same position as my parents when I was in preschool. So here I give a little blurb about what BBE stands for, Bicultural and Bilingual Education, and letting them know that it is not about forcing English on them. It's about creating a learning experience where they can have both languages. I started again with the blog feature for the same reasons, dated information, and something you can easily go back to. I started with a generic blog about ideas and discussions you can have with your child at home every week, no matter what the theme is. And it's basically saying that you can talk with your child about how their day was, what they're talking about in school, and doing it in both languages. Hopefully, in the future, for my website, I would like to learn how to get rid of this button that came with the layout at the top in order to include a little blurb about what each subpage was. It came with this whole feature here where I can include text, which is what I wanted, an image, which is what I wanted, and a button link where I can link it to a different page as a whole. Let's say my other blog, or maybe another website connected to my center, or maybe bilingual resources, something like that. That's not something I want right now, so I'm going to figure out how to get rid of that. And you may notice that this image has been showing up a lot that came with the theme, and as mentioned before in the beginning, I would like to be able to include more personalized images that actually came from our school and from inside our classroom. But other than that, I look forward to continuing designing my webpage, adding more content to it, adding maybe different teacher tube or child-friendly YouTube videos that both English language speakers and English as a second language speakers can utilize at home, and I can get this page up and running soon. With that, I wish everyone luck on their projects, and I am very, very open to any criticism or comments. Thanks. Bye.